everyone, today is the day we have been anticipating. The brand new Lithium Edge 18-volt battery actually came out. Check this thing out. Now, the reason why it's so important is because it's changing the industry within Ryobi and the DIY community because, well, it's advancing the cell technology inside and it's supposed to do some pretty incredible things. And today we are going to test it out. In this video, we're going to test out the performance of the actual tools. And there's going to be another video you can click on right here, and that's going to show you the specifications. We're going to talk about the form, the fit, the protection, and all the other technical stuff, plus run testing, which you want to know too in the other video. But for this one, we are going to cut double stack 3/4 inch OSB boards right here. We're going to do rip cuts, 8-foot rip cuts all the way across. We're going to do it with the Edge battery. We're going to do it with the regular lithium battery. Now, this is no slouch either. The lithium battery is a great battery too. That's what brought Ryobi into the 21st century, and that is what we're compounding against right now. And hopefully we're going to do a lot better today. Now, with that being said, we're also going to use the 18-volt HP drill driver, and we're going to be drilling some really big 2-inch holes through some boards too. That's later in the video, but for now, I'm not going to waste anybody's time. I'm going to get the rip cutting, and let's see side by side how these two batteries perform. This thing's absolutely incredible, the amount of power. I just pushed this past what I thought safety limits were. I can't believe how incredibly good this just did. Being that I am incredibly impressed with how this new battery is doing, this Edge battery. I'm going to put the handle on here because this is the really good 18-volt, as you can see right here. This is the hammer. Let's put it on drill at the top, but this is a really good drill driver. It's also a hammer drill as well, and we're going to put this in. This is a 2-inch right here. It's like a Forstner bit, and just take a look at that right there. So this is no joke. We're going to grab first. There we go. Hold it still. This is locked in. This is the regular lithium ion battery. We are going to drill 3 holes consecutively right through here, and you're going to see how this thing can actually work. And we're going to count this thing down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that was awesome. You can feel the power, but I really want to push this to the limits. I'm going to press this as hard as I can, put all of my body weight on. I weigh 220 pounds, so let's just see how this goes. I'm on the torque speed. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. it didn't bog it down. I can't believe how good that actually did. All right, let's do a quick review. So there you have it. Can you believe how much faster this new Edge battery is? I would buy one of these to 3 of these batteries. I can't believe just how strong this is. It felt like I had the 12 amp hour 18 volt battery. This is absolutely incredible, the amount of power that you got out of here. Now I tried it with the circular saw and I pushed it as like past what I really thought I should. It didn't bog, it kept going. And you can see whenever I use the regular 4 amp hour lithium with this, well, it did bog and it actually stopped. So that goes, and I wasn't even trying that hard, but you can see how it actually did. With the Forstner bit, the 2-inch hole. 2-inch hole is not easy to do, and this is self-feeding as well. So all of that means is that you're looking at the literal future of power. It's smaller, it's more compact, and it's more powerful. And that's what we're really looking for. Now this also claims that it can run cooler. So I did have the thermal imaging camera set up and you can see that it did run cooler whenever you compared these two together. This is trapping heat. On the tablets version, that means this has an advanced cooling system on here, so it's able to dissipate the heat a little bit faster than that single point of cell entry and exit on a typical battery. And that's what I've got. Now, I did do a technical form, fit, weight, a very detailed review. You can hit that, like I said, in another video. So you need to go really search for that. But as for this one right here, this performance blew me away. I was a skeptic, and now I'm a believer. My name is Brent. This was Live Free and Tool, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go down there, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Get out there, go build something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass on your solutions to the next generation. I think we will all be better for it at the end of the day. And until next time, my name is Brent again. Take care.